So where do you see our industry heading in the next few years? Maybe especially with AI and compliance, competition.
Yeah.
Where do you see us heading?
So from a compliance standpoint,
Mhm.
check. We have that very well under control.
It's
I
getting
think we're. I think
tougher also in the
yeah.
future. Yeah.
I think we work with. I think we already are at that point where we have to go through a very very strict compliance
Mhm.
process to
Mhm.
work with brands. So from a compliance standpoint, if it gets more compliant than this, it's going to become unsustainable to run the brands
Got
because
it.
it's just going to make it impossible to work and to promote these products with these heavy restrictions in place. Um, it very well may continue to be more strict on a compliance aspect, um, but I can't see it going much more beyond what we do on our side actually, because we're very strict. I mean,
Yeah.
it's yeah.
Let's hope
Um,
EU regulators are not listening.
yes,
They might find some ways to to
yeah.
make it harder.
Yeah, but I mean, from a compliance standpoint, yeah,
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
obviously, the regulators have the users' visions and the users' opinions and thoughts in mind. Users, consumers may not actually may not. It's actually they don't necessarily know how the advertising world works, and why they're seeing ads. But I think if there was that level of education from the regulators, like actually you're seeing ads because of this reason,
Mhm.
or you're seeing this because of that reason, or you're receiving emails because you did this
Mhm.
6 months ago. If there was that level of education coming from a regulator, I think it would actually make things easier because users would be more tolerant um, to those emails or those ads they see that maybe they find intrusive, but actually you're seeing them because you initially showed an initial level of interest in that.
Mhm.
Whereas from my opinion, my standpoint, what regulators do is they receive a whole load of complaints from a whole load of um, different types of promotions and then implement the measure. But there's nothing, there's no explanation that goes beyond that. And I think that's from my personal opinion. I think if there was an organization, and I think there are, but to the level of a government level, um, where they educated users about their online choices, their privacy, and things like that, I think it would make a big difference to how users respond and react to ads in general.
Mhm. Cool.
It may take a negative effect because they're like, oh, that's an ad, I'm not going to interact with that.
Yeah.
Or it may take a positive effect and say, okay, well, they know that I like cameras and
Mhm.
I'm looking for a camera. Well, yeah, I may as well buy a camera. I understand
Yeah.
why I'm being shown this camera, you know?
Yeah.
So I
I'm
think that
sure
makes a difference.
if I log into my Facebook account later and I see a camera ad, then we'll know why.
And, yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Um,
Great. Great.
then, yeah, from an AI standpoint, AI represents a
Mm.
big percentage of at least my day to day.
Mhm.
It saves me countless hours of my work. Whether I think it's going to replace me or not, I don't. I think it's not so much that case or immediately, because the AIs don't have the relationships that we have. For a start, so the fundamental part of like our business is the relationships,
Mhm.
the trust that we have given as humans. So even though AI will make our job easier and will implement new technologies to make things better, to serve ads in a more efficient way, to deliver ads to inboxes in a much better way, um, and obviously to save time on reporting and things like that. I think there's a long way to go before AI can replace a human.
Mhm.
Um, but if you're a human, you're concerned about AI taking your job. I don't think that's the case. I think it's more of a case of a human who knows how to use AI will take your job.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I think that's more of the scenario as it is
Yeah.
now.
Yeah,
So
maybe it was similar when the computer first came out. Like, obviously,
yeah,
the computer itself took a lot of jobs away
yeah,
because a computer can calculate much faster than a person, for example. But
yeah,
still, you and I are operating a computer right now. So, like, human involvement. It's fine. And with a business owner, you own the business anyway. Like you own the business that employs the AI or deploys it,
Yes.
basically. So yeah, that's really cool. Like AI is everywhere now. It
is. Yeah.
It's cool. It's
I think we just need to embrace it.
Very exciting and moving so fast. Like whatever AI was last year, it's like if you look at it now, it's like I don't even know why we were so excited last year.
Yeah, exactly.
Because today everything ultra realistic and whatever.
Yeah. Yeah,
cool.
I've fully embraced AI. I'm a very big supporter of AI. I'm always learning about new ways to use AI and how I can adapt them to my business and my day to day.
Yeah.
And there's loads of things you can do. We just have to, as I said, I think you just have to kind of learn it and embrace it, be patient and understand it. I think that's very important.